Hi, this is Physio Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add text box on Word. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Microsoft Word is a powerful processing tool that allows users to create and edit documents with ease. One of the great features of Word is the ability to add text boxes, which can be useful for a variety of purposes. In this video, I will show you how to add the text box on your document on Microsoft Word. So how to do it? So simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Word. Here, if you want to add text box on your Word, you can just put the cursor where you want to add the text box. Now you can click on Insert on your menu bar, and you'll find there is an option text box. You can just click on that, and here you can choose for the text box style that you want to use. For the example, we choose the simple text box. Now you can adjust the size of your text box. Here you can enter the text that you want to add to this text box. For the example, maybe I will just copy paste from this like this. After that, you can see here's the text on this box. You can also, if you want to change the style of your text box, maybe you want to give colors, you can go to shape format, and here you can shape fill on your text box or anything. You can edit your text box in here. It's so simple, right? Maybe for the example, I will choose this. I will shape fill for my text box with this color, and your text box will be turned out like this. It's so simple, right? So that is how to add text box on Microsoft Word. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!